What's up, guys, man? I'm back. I'm finally back, man. I've been assisting my grandmother lately, guys. So, man, I threw, like I said, hope y'all take that into consideration, man, and forgive me, man. I've been with my grandmother like all week long, man. You already know, her situations, and it's been a lot going on, man. So, just being strong for her and doing everything that I have to do, man. And I do apologize about that, but that's basically what I've been doing. So it's been a lot of weight on me, man. And I've been extremely tired, and I do apologize for missing the streams and like just had to take care of family business right now. So as far as the operation, as far as her procedure, everything went fine. So right now, what they're gonna be doing now is have her go on. I think is daily treatments. So starting next week, they're gonna be having her go doing her treatments on a daily basis. Gonna be in Houston. So my aunt is gonna take care of that though. But yeah, guys, I'm back in the scene right now, man. It's just been a lot.
Hope she gets better soon. Prayers. Nadia says.
Nadia, Queen, thank y'all so much. Jenna, thank you so much for coming through too as well, Queen. I do apologize for being absent, but I just had to take care of that, man. And it's just been a lot on me because, and I mean, me, I like to share, my.
Praying.
Thank you so much, Nadia. And like I said, and I've been through this situation before because I lost my grandfather, to cancer, and it hits close to me because, I had to deal with, his situation, and I went through that before, and I know a lot of you guys, you're not in my shoes to understand that feeling, but, to hold somebody in your arms and they're not there, their body is there, but their spirit is not, it hits different, man, especially when you care about somebody a lot, and it just definitely took a toll on me, man. But I do apologize for not being in, and I thank you guys for being understanding of that, though. But I am here, and trying to bounce myself back though, man. And I do apologize for not, for being absent. But we're gonna keep it rocking and rolling, guys. We're gonna keep it rocking and rolling, man. We're gonna stay positive and stay keeping it, keeping it grinding, man. But as far as everything goes right now, guys, that I've been going over so far, what I've seen so far, it look like right now with SPY, we are somewhat of like a little downtrend setup. We are back underneath the 636 level. So kind of like in a range between the, because they have recovered the 635.21, but we are still underneath the 636. So if you notice right here, guys, we are back underneath the 636 range. We did get a little breakout above that level, but right back underneath 636, and we did recover that 635.21. And do not forget, guys, tomorrow we do have the FOMC meeting. So they may be trying to hold a range until that time comes. So we're definitely going to keep our eyes peeled on that to see where we go from there. Let me take a look at everything else. Tesla, we got right back above that 320 range, trying to push our way back up towards that 322 range. As far as AMD has still been rocking and rolling, despite the little pullback that it has. Once we get above that 180, the highs that we can go on that one.
SPY under $636 to 635.60 to 634.10 to 631.
So right now, right now, you on a range of 635.21, that level right here where we held multiple times. Once, twice, and three times right now that we have got right back above that 635.21. So you can see right here where that level tested three times, and we wound up getting right back on top of that, which is somewhat of a strong demand zone. We do have this level 636. Now, if we can get that break back above that 636, yes, we do have room to run our way back up to that 637.50. Now, why is that level so important? We'll go back and look at our charts real quick. Let's go back, and I'm gonna show you why those levels are very important real quick. Let's see. All right, bring this up a little. But yeah, guys, I am back on the scene right now, man. Like I said, we're just just family issues that was going on, so I am back though. So you can see right here, guys. You can see right here across the board. If those buys can stay on top of that 635.70 level, we do have room to push our way back up towards that 637.50. But keep that in mind that we are underneath that trend line. We are underneath that trend line. So the main thing that we want to see, we want to definitely see more upside and definitely want to see that recovery. We want to get back above that 637.50. That'll put us above that trend line and keep us in this upper range versus possibly falling back down to this lower range here. So keep that in mind. We have gotten overextended because we were in the 70s on the on SPY, and we were in need of a cool off. Now the thing that, like I said, is going to take place is tomorrow because we do have the FOMC meeting coming out tomorrow. So we'll definitely see on what type of impact it's going to have on the market. As Jerome Powell speaks. And right here, guys, as you can see right here, buys are definitely stepping in strongly. Once they reclaim that 635 21, you can see them trying to step in right now. You can definitely see the transition of the candles going from sellers to buyers, trying to push that way right back up towards that 636. So definitely keep that on watch. Like I said, Tesla's in a range between that 322.50 and the bottoms of 320 itself. So right now it's in a range itself. So a lot of them look like they're setting up for ranges as we're going into tomorrow. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on that to see to see where we go. But definitely see a lot of areas being held at this time. We still have AMD, which is the top gainer, still holding his gains. We just got to get that break back above 180. The highest that AMD can go at this time that I did see on my chart was 186. I did see that level, which is around 186. Let me bring up my chart real quick. Let me see if I can find it. AMD. Oh, here we go. You see right here. So like I said, as long as the AMD keeps pushing, guys, because the main thing, you had a good entry last week, which was around 150. 150 was that pullback bouncing opportunity where you could have got in on AMD at these low key areas as sellers came in, and then we got that bounce right back on up towards the upside, right up, as we reclaimed that 150. From 150 on up, I did call out the 173 level. Now, why did I call out 173? And we go back a little bit. Go back. What was that area? See right here where we got rejected at? That was 173. Now we back above that key level. Now once you break above that key level, the next possible area is going to be right here, right around that 186 level. 186 where we get that nice little pullback. So we go right now to the present. You can see now that we have gotten back above 173 with that possible room to run up towards 186. So right now, I mean, AMD is definitely still looking bullish at this time. I mean, after this bounce and after that rebound after that 150 level, I mean, it's just been bullish ever since. I mean, you just been on a bullish rally on AMD. So with room to run up towards that possible level of 186 once we break back above that 180 level. But right now, definitely keep your eyes peeled on SPY. Like I said, the main areas that we want to get back above is that 636 level. Definitely 636. AMD is looking like it's setting up an extended triangle push. If we get that move back above 180, we do have room to push our way back up to 182, 184, up to 186. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on that, because you can see right here where we got rejected at, which was around 182. Because you remember I told you, other than Tesla, everything else normally likes to move by $2 increments. So if they can get that break above 180, you do have room to push your way up to 182, up to 184, to the area of 186. That will give us that continuation uptrend. Let me see. But as far as SPY, like I said, we just still holding up in this little range. We do have sellers are sitting around these key levels of 336 level. You can see every time you try to run up towards 336, get that nice little pullback on down. They try to break above it, came right back on down. So keep your eyes peeled on this level. But I'm gonna definitely keep my eyes peeled to see what we're gonna have setting up, guys. And again, I do apologize for coming in late, man. I mean, just like I said, I've been trying to handle some personal matters, guys, and I am back right now. So I'm not trading at the time, but I will, just look on how everything's going to set up for the rest of the week, between Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I do have a PowerPoint. Where is it at? Let me go to it real quick. PowerPoint. Let me bring it up. Economics. That was today's, right? I think that was today's economic PowerPoint. That was today, and then we have tomorrow. I think I have that set up as well. Let's see. Yeah, so tomorrow, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna have the FOMC meeting at 2 o'clock. Jerome Powell speaking at 2:30. We're gonna have GDP at 8:30, and so forth. But yeah, the main thing that everybody's gonna be anticipating is gonna be the FOMC meeting. That's gonna be tomorrow from 2 o'clock to 2:30. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on that. So right now, AMD is still looking good, guys. AMD is still holding his way up. Try to go for that 180 push. Keep your eyes peeled on that. As far as SPY, we're still pushing up, trying to get that push towards that 336 level. Keep that on watch. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back. So you kind of see once we got that bounce yesterday and we reclaimed that 336, we ran up as high as around that 638.50 level, and it came right back on down. So just keep your eyes peeled to see on how these buys are going to handle up. Will we get our way back above that 336 level and go for that continuation push, or will we get rejected at 336 and start to still get that continuation fade on down, that downtrend? So we'll see where we're going to go at this moment. Tesla's right here, guys, pushing right back up towards that 322 level that we just talked about. That's going to be the third attempt right here. Though, if they can get that successful push, we do have room to push our way back up towards that 325 level. Going from the bottoms of 320 for that possible push up to 325, thus giving you a $5 range, a $5 push back on up towards the upside. So from 320 to 325, that'll be a $5 profit from there. So once we break above 322.50, you do have room to push up towards 325. AMD is still looking good, like it's still gearing up for that push above that 180. Alright, so right now, watch the SPY at this moment. We got to get it back above that 336 level. Right now, as long as we underneath it, that's going to be resistance until we get that break above that price point. So just keep that on watch to see if buy's going to go for that break and push and hold, or will we get rejected and come right back on down. So watch that 336 level to see if buy's going to try to go for the breakout. But right now, I mean the market is being a little bit weak now. I mean, because it's time for a cool off. I mean, we've been sitting in the 70s for almost, well, since last week. It was just time for a cool off. That was HIMS. I forgot I even had HIMS. HIMS is at above the price of 60. I forgot I even had that. that stock still. Oh, I do have it up here. HIMS. All right, here we go, guys. You go Tesla with that break above that 322.50. As long as those bonds can hold, you do have room to push up towards that 325. That'll give you your $5 profit on that note from the on the call side. From the bottoms of 320 for that possible push up to 325, $5 up. Microsoft, I mean, we were pushing up, but now we're starting to go on this little decline at this moment. So we got Microsoft on a fade. I think the level that we need to get back on top of on Microsoft is 513. AMD still testing around at 180. SPY, we still gotta want to see can those buys go for that 360 push, 636 push. Sorry about that. Tesla buys are stepping in on that one for sure, trying to go for that push towards that 325 level. And shout out to Matt, man. Matt did an amazing job yesterday, man, as far as these his breakdowns, man. But shout out to Matt. Matt did an amazing job. And shout out to AK-47 too, man, for hosting them, for having them in. All right. So, okay, let me ask you guys. So, what are you guys looking at as far as today? Besides SPY, what are you guys looking at? I mean, Tesla's doing pretty well as far as the rebound from 320 for the possible push up to 325. I mean, again, if we get that push, I mean, that's a $5 profit right there in your pockets right there, guys. $5 profit right there. Because you are above the 320, 322.50 mid area. Trying to push your way back up to 325. So you are looking good on that note. Let's see how Tesla is looking anyway as far as the chart wise. I mean, Tesla's looking pretty decent. So right now you did recover that 320, trying to go for that push back up to 325. So you're trying to go for that pullback bounce. So that's still looking good. We're room to push up towards 325. So definitely keep that on watch. So Tesla's looking good. Trying to see if anything else is setting up. I mean, like I said, the main thing that we want to see on AMD is that 180 push, 180 breakout and hold. We already, as far as Tesla, we already broke above 322.50. So, I mean, that's holding up. So now that's putting us in the upper portion of this range between 322.50 to 325. So it look like buyers are trying to go for that push, guys, for 325. So for my my Tesla calls, there you go, guys. From 320 up to that possible area of 325, there go your $5 profit on that one. So right now, we're trying to push up to 324. Let's see, can we get that push up 324.50 up to 325. So far, looking good. I mean, definitely getting a strong push, strong rebound. I mean, SPY still looking a little, I mean, it's still looking a little weak, I mean, at this time. I mean, a little weak still. A little weak still. I mean, you got a little rebound back on up, but I mean, still kind of holding a little, like somewhat in a downtrend setup still. But we'll see if buy's going to step back in right around that 336 level. So you kind of see the little downtrend setup that we do have. So again, what we need to do is break above that 636. That'll put us back on this floor and that'll be the possible downtrend breakout for the push back on up towards the 636 72s up to the 637.50s. I mean, it's kind of still looking a little, still looking a little weak to me. I mean, you know, we're getting a nice little rebound, but what we want to see is buyers break above that 636 level to give us that full confirmation. I mean, you got a nice bounce off of that 635.21 where you did get a triple bottom for that pushback on up. But I mean, it's still like, I mean, it seems like, it just seems like buy's gonna have a hard time trying to hold because we don't have a lot of buying volume today right now. Don't have a lot of strong buying volume. But we'll see. We'll definitely keep it on watch. But I'm pretty sure we're going to have a lot of volatility tomorrow, guys, for the FOMC meeting. And then we got earnings coming up as well. Tomorrow, I think, is... what's the earnings coming out tomorrow? We should have... let me close this out real quick. Apple and tomorrow... Oh, Meta and Microsoft tomorrow. And then Thursday, we're going to have Apple and Amazon. So tomorrow's going to be Meta and Microsoft tomorrow. It's going to be them two bad boys. See what I mean, guys? Look, see how that downtrend said what I mean? Like, it just don't seem strong. It just don't seem strong as far as on the buying side. Like, buys can hold. Yes, we're getting these bounces back up, but we still got this downtrend setup right here in your face, and we're still underneath that 636 level. Still having a hard time trying to get back above that 635.70 level. So it does look like a downtrend overall still setting up at this time. So it still seems to look like a little weak to me. A little weak. Yeah, so I mean, SPY still doesn't look strong on the bullish side still, just yet. So we could possibly see if, you know, buys don't step back up, get back above that 636 level. I mean, we could see some more continuation pullback coming. Well, we could crack underneath that 635.21, back down towards that 634.25, down to these lower levels here. Now, the main floor that SPY broke out of was that 631.50. 631.50. Right now, we still got Tesla pushing, guys. Still looking good on Tesla's side, trying to push his way up towards the 324. Only $1 away from that 325 level. So right now, Tesla is still looking good as far as the push back up towards the upside, guys. So it's still looking good. Still looking good. So I want to see if AMD is going to go for that 180 break. 180 break. Oh, I gotta switch my let me fix my time clock too, guys, because I'm gonna rock it out with you guys till the bell ring. Let me fix my countdown real quick to 4 instead of 1. I do apologize about that. Let me switch that out to 4. All right, there we go. Well, I'm still showing an hour though. What time it is? 2.